Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add voice recording in CapCut PC, and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for editing video for the first time. So yes, select your photos or videos you like to edit, and yeah, for example, to add the voice recording, you are just going click on this icon, this recording icon. Click record and just click and you can adjust for the volume and turn on up for echo reduction and mute project. And for example, just click. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Sorry, I'm just going to turn off the audio. It's copyright. All right. Click on the record icon and click on the right button. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. All right, you can listen. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. All right, that's it. Super simple, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.